And I'm surprised. Do you think that that helps them if they make this more ongoing? Because to me, that starts to sound more premeditated, more we've had time to think about it, and we're really upset with her, and it's building and building, rather than this morning we wake up, she's run away, we are just horrified that she might be somewhere in trouble, then we find her, and then we need to bring her back for this trip. I'm curious what you think actually works better, if this was sudden or if this was actually long term.
No, I think you're right. I think it doesn't bode well for them that this was an ongoing thing, but I think the defense attorneys have no choice but to show that, and maybe this is, in their opinion, this gives them fodder for what they're going to do in their defense case. But I don't think it bodes well for them that this is a long, ongoing thing. I think that it would be better for them if this was sudden, but it wasn't sudden, and the evidence to the jury is going to be laid out that it wasn't sudden. But maybe also what also might be scaring them more so even than that, Julia, is maybe that they wanted to show the jury that it wasn't because she was dating an African American. Maybe that's the biggest tension that they have in the room, is they don't want the jury to believe that, because they're looking at the jury. For all we know, 9 out of those 10 jurors are African Americans. We don't know that. If 9 out of 12 of them are African Americans, they might say, we want this jury to believe that it was an ongoing thing as opposed to just a sudden thing. We found out she's dating an African American. That could be, those are the only two options, right? And as a defense attorney, you always know your customer. You're looking at your customer. You're in the room with your customer. You know how to sell to your customer. You're a glorified salesman as a criminal defense attorney. You have to sell to that jury, and they're trying to sell something to this jury. You and I are guessing as to what it is. It's one of the two. One of those two guesses is the right guess. So what they're trying to sell.